Hello y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Facebook account on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do is, first of all, go ahead, access your Facebook over here, and now here in this home section this will be opened up, right? Then afterwards, what you're going to do, go ahead, tap on this profile icon with the settings icon called the menu below, and go ahead, tap on this meta account center option, tap on this see more in account center in the below highlighted text. Here in this section, tap on this profile. You will find this both of your profiles, including your Insta and Facebook. Now go back, tap on this personal details given below account settings section, and once you have done so, you'll find this in personal details called account ownership and control, which we need to find utility delete option. Tap on it. Now go ahead, tap on this deactivation or deletion. Choose a particular profile. We want to delete our Facebook, so choose the Facebook one. Tap on this delete account option and continue over here, and now choose a particular reason for you to do so, and tap on this continue option, and you will re-enter your password that you created while creating an account to verify yourself, and now confirm in the deletion, and then that's where you will simply be able to delete your account like that from your Facebook on your iPhone. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.